Hi everybody, welcome to Health Wanted, the place to be for healthy living. Today we are going to talk about jojoba oil, the origins, benefits, and applications of it, revealing why it is a staple in both beauty and wellness routines. Keep watching to see how jojoba oil can benefit your body. Call your husband, a friend, or a relative and ask them to watch the video. Subscribe to our channel so that we can provide you with essential information to help you maintain good health and well-being. Now let's go to the video. The origin and extraction of jojoba oil. The jojoba plant is a tough shrub that reaches a maximum height of 15 feet. Its seeds contain a special wax ester that shares structural similarities with sebum, the naturally occurring oils generated by human skin. Because of these similarities, jojoba oil can be used for a variety of cosmetic and medicinal purposes and is quickly absorbed without clogging pores. Cold pressing is the method used to extract jojoba oil, maintaining its nutrient-rich characteristics. Jojoba oil has a longer shelf life since it does not easily go rancid like many other plant-based oils do. Because it contains alcohols and long-chain fatty acids, which naturally preserve food, it is said to be stable. Nutritional composition and properties. A wealth of advantageous substances, found in jojoba oil, include vitamins, packed with antioxidants. Vitamin E shields the skin from environmental damage and oxidative stress. Additionally, vitamin E promotes skin regeneration and healing. Minerals, zinc and copper, two important minerals found in jojoba oil, encourage the production of collagen and elastin and are beneficial to the health of the skin. Fatty acids, its main constituents are monounsaturated fatty acids, such as erucic, oleic, and eicosanoic acids. These fats have anti-inflammatory and hydrating qualities. Esters, jojoba oil's special wax esters, which closely resemble human sebum, enable it to regulate oil production and preserve skin hydration. Benefits of jojoba oil for skin. 1. Moisturization, rich in nutrients. Jojoba oil nourishes skin without leaving a greasy afterglow. All skin types, including oily and sensitive skin, can use it because of its ability to replicate natural sebum. 2. Acne control. Jojoba oil's non-comedogenic properties help control oil production and avoid clogged pores. Its anti-inflammatory qualities can also lessen acne-related redness and edema. 3. Anti-aging effects. Packed with antioxidants, jojoba oil fights free radicals, which hurt your skin and age you faster. Frequent use can help minimize wrinkles and fine lines, giving the skin a more youthful appearance. 4. Soothing irritation. Because of its relaxing qualities, jojoba oil works well to relieve dermatitis, psoriasis, and eczema. It helps soothe inflamed skin by reducing dryness and itching. Wound healing. Jojoba oil's vitamin E and B-complex vitamins accelerate the healing process and reduce the risk of scarring. It aids in healing when applied to minor burns, abrasions, and wounds. Benefits of jojoba oil for hair. 1. Scalp health. Jojoba oil balances oil production, hydrates the scalp, and lessens dryness and dandruff. Additionally, it relieves inflammation and may help create a favorable atmosphere for hair growth. 2. Hair conditioning. Jojoba oil improves luster and offers deep conditioning to hair strands. It prevents split ends and lessens frizz by smoothing the hair cuticle. 3. Hair growth. Jojoba oil can promote hair development by nourishing the scalp and unclogging hair follicles. Its application to the scalp encourages blood flow, which supports the growth of healthy hair. 4. Protection. Jojoba oil creates a barrier that keeps hair strands safe from chemicals, heat styling, and environmental harm. Uses of jojoba oil in skincare. 1. Facial cleanser. Jojoba oil has the potential to be both a mild makeup remover and a facial cleanser. Its purifying qualities eliminate pollutants and extra oil from the skin without depriving it of its natural moisture content. 2. Moisturizer. Jojoba oil softens and moisturizes the skin when used alone or in combination with other substances. To seal in moisture, apply it after cleansing. 3. Serum booster. To increase the effectiveness and provide extra nutrition to your preferred serums or moisturizers, add a few drops of jojoba oil. 4. Lip balm. To relieve and shield chapped, dry lips, use jojoba oil as a natural lip balm. Lips are kept supple and smooth by its emollient qualities. 5. Body oil. For smooth, moisturized skin, massage jojoba oil onto the body after taking a shower. It absorbs fast and doesn't leave a greasy trace. Uses of jojoba oil in hair care. 1. Scalp massage. To promote a healthy environment for hair growth, massage jojoba oil into the scalp to nourish and condition the skin. Turn it on overnight for the best effects. 2. Conditioning treatment. Apply damp hair with jojoba oil and let it sit for half an hour before rinsing to achieve a deep conditioning treatment. It enhances the texture of hair and replenishes moisture. 3. Treatment for split ends. To prevent and treat split ends, dab a tiny bit of jojoba oil over the ends of your hair. It lessens breaking and seals the cuticle. 4. Heat protection. To shield your hair from heat-related damage, spritz a few drops of jojoba oil on it before using heat styling tools. 5. Frizz control. To control frizz and flyaways and leave hair sleek and manageable, just massage jojoba oil onto dry hair. Jojoba oil and holistic wellness. Jojoba oil is prized in holistic wellness for its medicinal qualities in addition to its use in cosmetics. 1. Aromatherapy. Jojoba oil works wonderfully as an essential oil carrier in aromatherapy. It offers further skin benefits and improves the absorption of essential oils. 2. Massage. Jojoba oil is perfect for massage therapy because of its silky texture and non-greasy feel. In addition to providing moisture and relaxation, it glides over the skin with ease. 3. Nail and cuticle care. To avoid brittleness and hangnails, massage jojoba oil into your nails and cuticles to enhance strength and moisture. 4. Sunburn relief. Jojoba oil works well to relieve sunburn discomfort because of its calming and hydrating qualities. For relief, apply lightly to the afflicted regions. 5. Makeup remover. Jojoba oil leaves the skin feeling nourished and clean after gently and successfully dissolving makeup. Jojoba oil in DIY beauty recipes. Because of its many uses, jojoba oil is a common component of homemade beauty products. Here are some easy dishes you may make at home. 1. Moisturizing face mask. For a nutritious face mask, combine oatmeal, honey, and jojoba oil. For a revitalized complexion, apply to the skin and let it sit for 15 minutes before washing it off. 2. Exfoliating scrub. For a mild exfoliation, mix sugar or coffee grounds with jojoba oil. For smooth, radiant skin, massage in circular strokes onto damp skin and then rinse. 3. Hair oil mixture. Combine jojoba oil with essential oils such as rosemary or lavender to create a personalized hair oil mixture. Apply to the scalp and hair for extra hydration and aroma. 4. Lip balm. To make a DIY lip balm, melt beeswax. Combine it with jojoba oil and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Transfer to receptacles and allow to harden. 5. Body butter. To make an opulent body butter, beat together shea butter and jojoba oil. Use liberally on parched skin to provide maximum hydration. Sustainability and ethical considerations. The production of jojoba oil has less of an impact on the environment than that of other crops. Because jojoba plants are pest-resistant and low-water users, fewer chemical insecticides and irrigation are needed. Sustainable agricultural methods guarantee the ethical and ecologically sound supply of jojoba oil. Potential allergies and precautions. Even though most individuals can safely use jojoba oil, it's important to conduct a patch test before using it frequently, particularly if you have allergies or sensitive skin. A tiny amount should be applied to the inner forearm, and after 24 hours, any negative reactions should be monitored. If irritation develops, stop using the product. Jojoba oil is a great complement to skin care, hair care, and holistic wellness regimens because of its special qualities and adaptability. Its natural affinity for human skin, together with its protective, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing properties, have given it a well-earned reputation in the wellness and beauty industries. Jojoba oil is a natural way to improve and maintain healthy skin and hair, and it may be used on its own or as an ingredient in do-it-yourself recipes. Jojoba oil's benefits are still being discovered, which is evidence of the effectiveness and promise of natural therapies. That's all for today, and always remember to stay healthy. Subscribe to the channel to receive regular health tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.